In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IC Markets two-step verification. Two-step verification, or 2FA, adds a powerful extra layer of security to your trading account by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. It's quick to set up, and it dramatically reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Start by signing in to the official IC Markets client area using your account email and password. Make sure you're on the legitimate website and not a lookalike page. Checking the URL and using bookmarks is a great habit to avoid phishing. Once you're in, head to your profile or account settings. Look for a section labeled Security or sometimes Password and Security. This is where the 2FA controls live. Inside that security section, locate the option called Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA and choose to enable or turn it on. The system will then guide you to pick a verification method. You'll typically see two main choices plus an optional backup. For the strongest protection, choose an authenticator app. Popular options include Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator. Install one of these on your phone, then use the app to scan the QR code displayed in your IC Market security page. After scanning, the app will start generating a 6-digit code that refreshes roughly every 30 seconds. Enter the current code back on the website to link the app to your account. If a code doesn't work on the first try, wait for the next one and be sure your phone's time is set automatically, since time drift can cause mismatches. If you prefer a simpler setup, you can opt for SMS verification. Enter your mobile number, receive the text message code, and type it in to confirm. This is convenient and familiar, though it's generally considered a bit less secure than an authenticator app. You may also be offered backup codes. These are one-time passcodes you can use if you lose your phone or can't access your authenticator. Save them in a secure, offline place. Think a password manager or a locked drawer and never share them. Once you've entered the code from your chosen method and clicked confirm, you'll see that 2FA is active. From now on, logging in on a new device will require a verification code, while trusted devices you've approved may skip the prompt. This means even if someone learns your password, they can't get in without that extra code. Keep your phone secure, update your number if it changes, and treat all verification codes like keys to your account.